bisita kami uli sa farm guys kasi maglilinis kami. Matagal-tagal na rin na hindi kami nakabalik dahil may pinuntahan, kaya eto na naman tayo. Balik na naman sa normal at may nagmamawar din para malinis talaga. Maganda kasi yung grass, yung Carabao grass pag namamawar. At saka may mga kasamahan tayo dito para maglinis. Ayan. Kasi hindi kaya pag isang tao lang. Ayan sila. Kitang-kita nyo na. Maya-maya, puntahan natin yung mangustin. Baka may hinog na. Check natin pati yung marang para makatikim na naman. Harvest tag marang guys for consumption. Huwag mo kat-kat guys. Try tag-harvest ng gamit ng gawayan kay nalimutan na mo ang sibot. So, in ani yun guys. Back to basic. Pastilan ang tanawin na tagak. Tagak yun guys. Take 2 na po o. Maugi hapon eh. Tanawa. Takak gihapon. Ang atong mangustin guys. Kailanganin pa. Yan, alanganin pa mga sa hinog. Wala pa tayo ma-harvest karon. Yan.
I've been trying to keep it all on track. Yeah, I could tell you took your time. I've been thumbing through your gram like that. Bring my energy back, girl. You're something like the sunlight. Girl, you're something like the sunshine. You got the touch, girl. You got the best. Sending dirty pics. Ooh, what's next? We should link up. Let me guess. Flying overseas, make us. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Keep it honey, keep it solid. It's a lone wolf, you know I'm wildin'. Stepping outside, feeling fresh, real to the death, see it all over me, like the fire, yeah that's pressure, know you feel it, she keep dancing, it's electric, we can take our time, girl we living in the moment, no it don't stop, yeah we too lit, we just pull up, then it's deuces, too much talking, they don't do shit, I'ma take my time cause I'm living in the moment, yeah, let me take my time cause I'm